Exodus chapter 37, New American Standard Version. Now Bezalel made the ark of acacia wood. Its length was 2.5 cubits, its width 1.5 cubits, and its height 1.5 cubits. He overlaid it with pure gold inside and out, and made a gold moulding for it all around. He cast 4 rings of gold for it on its 4 feet, 2 rings on one side of it and 2 rings on the other side of it. And he made poles of acacia wood and overlaid them with gold. He put the poles into the rings on the side of the ark to carry it. He also made an atoning cover of pure gold, 2.5 cubits long and 1.5 cubits wide. He made 2 cherubims of gold, and he made them of hammered work at the 2 ends of the atoning cover, 1 cherubim at one end and 1 cherubim at the other end. He made the cherubim of one piece with the atoning cover at the 2 ends, and the cherubim had their wings spread upwards, covering the atoning cover with their wings, with their faces towards each other, and the faces of the cherubim were towards the atoning cover. Then he made the table of acacia wood, 2 cubits long and 1 cubit wide, and 1.5 cubits high. He overlaid it with pure gold and made a gold moulding for it all around. And he made a rim for it of a hand's width all around, and made a gold moulding for its rim all around. He also cast 4 gold rings for it, and put the rings on the 4 corners that were on its legs. Close by the rim were the rings, the holders for the poles to carry the table. And he made the poles of acacia wood and overlaid them with gold to carry the table. He also made the utensils which were on the table, its dishes, its pans, its libation bowls, and its jars, with which to pour out drink offerings of pure gold. Then he made the lampstand of pure gold. He made the lampstand of hammered work, its base and its shaft, its cups, its bulbs, and its flowers were of one piece with it. There were 6 branches going out of its sides. 3 branches of the lampstand were on the one side of it, and 3 branches of the lampstand from the other side of it. 3 cups shaped like almond blossoms, a bulb and a flower on each branch, and 3 cups shaped like almond blossoms, a bulb and a flower on the other branch. So for the 6 branches going out to the lampstand. And on the lampstand there were 4 cups shaped like almond blossoms, its bulbs and its flowers. And a bulb was under the first pair of branches coming out of it, and the bulb under the second pair of branches coming out of it, and a bulb coming under the third pair of branches coming out from it, for the 6 branches coming out of the lampstand. Their bulbs and their branches were of one piece with it. The whole of it was single hammered work of pure gold. And he made its 7 lamps with its tongs and its trays of pure gold, and he made it and all its utensils from a talent of pure gold. Then he made the altar of incense of acacia wood, 1 cubit long and 1 cubit wide, square, and 2 cubits high. Its horns were one piece with it, and he overlaid it with pure gold, its top and its sides all around, and its horns. And he made a gold moulding for it all around. He made 2 gold rings for it under its moulding and on its side, on opposite sides, as holders for the poles which was to carry it. And he made the poles of acacia wood and overlaid them with gold. Then he made the holy anointing oil and the pure fragrant incense of spices, the work of a perfumer.